Yes! Lucky for you, I have a fresh herb garden in the front of my house. Let's go get some. All right, so we have some fresh oregano right here. I think oregano looks good, right? It's a little dead, but it's January. Don't judge. That. What about thyme? Yeah? Thyme. Yeah. Let's take that off. All right, this looks good. All right, we're gonna give this a good rinse. Don't want that outside bacteria. Now's a good time to turn on the stove. Fun fact! Although similar versions of this sandwich can be traced back to Roman times, the classic grilled cheese, as we know it today, rose to fame in early 20th century America. This was thanks to the Iowa man considered the father of sliced bread and the popularity of processed cheese. Once considered hard to find and something to be desired, vegan cheese is now widely available. Comes in all varieties and flavors, and is actually really tasty now. Now, on to our last ingredient. What's next?